Hi, this is Gary from Graphco. We have product news for the Stitchliner Mark III from Horizon. With the new Stitchliner, we're saving printers a significant amount of time by reducing their folding needed in their bindery. With the Stitchliner Mark III, there's no folding needed. We print jobs, we cut them, take them right to the Stitchliner, load them, and we're making books. As soon as we're finished with books, we're boxing, they're coming out finished, we're boxing them up. Out the door they go before folding would ever be finished. Customers are seeing a huge benefit finding operators to run some of the folders and the equipment they have right now. It's very difficult. With the new automated Stitchliner, they cut, load, stitch, finish books. The savings alone, the ROI on this piece of equipment is tremendous, and that's what they're looking for.
Graphco and Standard Horizon bring together best of class sales and technical support, and of course the finest finishing equipment in the industry.
Thanks for tuning in. If you need more information, please check out graphco.com. Have all the information you need for all of our products.